What I wish I knew about cooking at 10 instead of 20. You can learn it all right here. Are you ready to spice up your cooking game? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Every day we drop mouth-watering recipes that are easy, elegant, and oh so delicious. Hit that like button if you love food. Comment below with your favorite dish. We want to hear from you, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tutorial. Thanks for joining us at the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Stay with us, sit back, and be amazed. Your one-stop recipe channel is here to entertain and inspire you with the most delicious recipes on earth. Enjoy our videos and happy cooking.
If you're a fan of bold and intricate flavors, then you need to try making mo poblano at home. Here's how. First, we're working with dried chiles ancho, pasilla, mulatto, and chipotle. Toast them till fragrant, but don't burn them. Rehydrate in boiling water for 30 minutes, then blend with a bit of that soaking liquid. Now for the base, saute a chopped onion and minced garlic. Toss in raw sesame seeds, almonds, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, and raisins. Toast those goodies, then add tomato paste, a cinnamon stick, cloves, peppercorns, and anise seeds. Mix in the blended chilies and cook for a few more minutes. Transfer to a blender with chopped Mexican chocolate, chicken broth, and water. Blend until smooth and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes until it thickens. Season with salt. Serve this magical mole over chicken or turkey with rice and tortillas on the side. Enjoy the explosion of flavors. You've just made authentic mo poblano.
This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.